Hello, and thank you for attending sessions as part of our virtual open house weeks. My name is Amy Tiberio, and I serve as the Vice President for Enrollment Management and Dean of Admission at Roger Williams University. We are thrilled to introduce you to several members of the Roger Williams community who will share with you the things that make an RWU education distinctive, the programs, opportunities, and experiences that await you. I hope that you will be able to participate in multiple sessions so that you can hear from many different voices. Many of you have connected with us already through either an in-person or virtual admission information session or campus tour, and for some of you this is your first opportunity to engage with us. Through your own research you likely have an idea of the basic facts and figures, but allow me to share some higher level information about Roger Williams and what makes us distinctively special. We serve a wide range of students across undergraduate, graduate, and law school degree programs. But our 4,000 student full-time undergraduate population studying through our Bristol campus is right in the sweet spot for size. It's a large enough student body that you'll have access to a huge amount of programs, opportunities, and activities and leadership positions. Yet it's also small enough that you'll enjoy personalized attention and the level and type of support that individual students need to find success and to be challenged and stretched intellectually. An RWU education is infused with tons of engaged learning experiences. And when we talk about engaged learning, that definitely means hands-on, but it's more than just that. It takes place in connection with local communities and organizations for the purpose of impacting the greater good. It takes the form of semester-long collaborative projects, research with faculty, internships, and more. And it's designed to provide you with the skills and abilities that are proven components for career and life success. Doing a college search in a pandemic is certainly not ideal, but know that we are here for you every step of the way. These virtual sessions should give you tons of great information, but also remember that we are open for campus tours for small groups of visitors. Over these past several months, I have to say that I've never been more proud to be a member of the Roger Williams community. The level of preparation and investment in health and safety measures is above and beyond. And while this semester looks and feels different right now, it is off to a strong start with in-person, hybrid, and remote course offerings, students in the residence halls, and student organizations and events taking place. I hope that this virtual open house week piques your interest in Roger Williams even more, and that you'll stay connected and engaged with us throughout your college search and your admission journey.